About an hour and a half ago, I was at the barbering salon. Oh yes, I went for a haircut. I realized my edges were just playing hide and seek with me, so I needed to go shave them all. You know, I try as much as possible to run away from that aftershave that the barbers have in their salon. You know, that aftershave can even uproot you from the dead. I really don't know. The burning sensation, the burning sensation is heavy. Hey, when they dip that cotton wool in that alcohol and they just place that thing on you, it can just move you. Like, well, second thing is, we were, you know, at the barbering salon, most often there's a heavy conversation there, even at the female salon and all that. There's a heavy conversation there, boys, girls, and all that. So a guy raised the topic of why is it that a lot of Ghanaians are just posting Christian Attu's case. First and foremost, rest in peace to those that lost their life in the heavy earthquake that happened a week plus ago in Turkey and its environs. May their gentle soul rest in peace, and those in the hospitals, we pray for healing mercies upon them all. So a conversation was raised that why is it that Christian Attu, people are running posts on social media about Christian Attu being found, is he found, where you see pastors are placing their mouth in their face. And a guy made a vivid point, and he was like, yo, do you think, in as much as how the Turkey people are trying their possible best for him to be seen, do you think if it is for Messi, if this case should happen to Messi or Cristiano Ronaldo, you'll be the same? They may even send something that looks like an ant that will go through all the undergrounds, that will go through every part on this earth just to find if that should be the last thing that should ever happen to them or ever happen to any human being. I'm not wishing that some such events will happen. Should the building fall on Lionel Messi or even Cristiano Ronaldo, yo, they will go hell and back just to look for them. They will try every possible means, every measure, every dog, every equipment. Like I said, as much as they are trying their very best to find them, they will go extra hard at if it is Cristiano Ronaldo or Lionel Messi. Anyway, thanks to Dorothy for hooking me up on this aftershave, because I've tried so much to hide from this burning sensation from the barbering salon. We pray so well the good Lord in heaven, so we just let us find this brother. I learned, yo, he needs to be found, you know. Let's have a good shave. She smells so good. Smells so good, bro. This can only be for recommendation purposely. Purpose. Like I said, barbering salon need you now. Guys can relate to that. I didn't say hell. Smells so good. I just need to place all these every part that the razor blade went. You know, I have a sensitive skin, so I need to be extra careful now in my doing, so every part that the blade went, I need to place, apply. Thank you once again to Dorothy. Believe this won't bring any bombs in my head or behind it. So may the good Lord bring back anyone who hasn't been found yet at a sudden event which happened some days ago, a week plus, and may the good Lord just rescue anyone that is in that event. God did, Brey did, Avon attraction. Thanks, Aunt. And this is a hair and body wash to Avon attraction. Well, I have a content on YouTube called Brey. I deal with beautiful things that smell so good. Could be cologne, it could be shower gel, it could be body splash, it could be whatever it is, but for men. For men and men only, go check it out. BREYFUMES. The name still stands on this one. It's still the sound of the soil, sound of the most fertile soil in West Africa. Thanks for watching with Ghost.